At CDM Systems, the true difference in our equipment starts with the design and construction materials that go into every conveyor. The CDM difference also includes our outstanding workmanship and exceptional approach to quality assurance and quality control. All of our conveyors are designed and engineered on a per-suit basis. This ensures optimum performance for each specific application. Then, we assemble and test every system before we send it out. Even the big ones. Because every conveying system we build is a big deal to our customers. Contact us today about your material handling needs and experience the CDM difference.